Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The Samsung Galaxy S21 rumors have been picking up steam for a while now, and it have reached to the point where we know almost everything there is to know about Samsung's next flagship range. Not very long ago, we saw the launch of the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but Samsung already started its full operation regarding S21 series. There may even be a few surprises that people have been pestering Samsung for a while. Judging from everything we have seen, the Samsung Galaxy S21 should have faster performance, a more sophisticated camera system and an overall flatter design. Of course, there are plenty of other things that could be improved. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series was launched this year at a Samsung Unpacked event February 11th, and phones went on sale March 6. Pre-orders started at February 21. If Samsung had followed a similar schedule for its next phones, the Galaxy S21 release date would be March 5. Which would be the first Friday in the month, but it seems those plans are out of the window at this point due to the COVID situation. According to leaker OnLeaks, the Samsung Galaxy S21 launch date will be January 2021. This would be a month earlier than the usual February event for Samsung. The Galaxy S21 may look pretty familiar to the Galaxy S20 based on the renders we have seen. According to Ice Universe on social media site Voice, the S21 has a vertical camera stack that looks similar to the Galaxy Note 20 series, and the front display is flat instead of curved. Ice Universe has also revealed that the S21 and S21 Plus will both come with the same 2.5D screens included with their S20 counterparts, while the S21 Ultra will come with a more traditional curved display. There's also speculation about whether the S21 will get Samsung's newly patented blade bezel design, which aims to almost completely eliminate the bezel. If implemented, we could see very thin and flat edges along the S21, and coupled with the curves of the 2.5D display, they could end up being very hard to stop. Samsung has been working on a perfect full-screen phone design for well over a year, and there were hopes that the Samsung Galaxy S21 could make this vision a reality. The idea is that the camera hole would be invisible while not affecting the camera's function in any way. The Galaxy S21's cameras are shaping up to be largely similar to what we saw on the Galaxy S20, but with some key upgrades to the most premium model. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus will once again sport triple rear cameras on the back, sporting an ultra-wide 12MP sensor, a 12MP main sensor and a 64MP telephoto lens. The highest-end Galaxy S21 Ultra will pack a second-generation version of the 108MP sensor found in the S21 Ultra and Note 21 Ultra, with a new 3x optical telephoto sensor and a 10x optical super telephoto sensor. If Samsung follows past practices, it will use two different chipsets to power the Galaxy S21. The latest Snapdragon 8 series system on chip for phones released in the US, and one of its own Exynos processors for models that ship in the rest of the world. On the Snapdragon front, the new chipset is expected to be the Snapdragon 875. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.